The Pepe Saves Pavel Memecoin is generating significant buzz in the crypto community, with predictions that it could skyrocket by 14,000% ahead of its upcoming exchange listings. This coin, which taps into the ongoing Memecoin craze, has drawn attention due to its unique theme of saving Pavel Durov, possibly referencing the founder of Telegram, which resonates with a certain segment of crypto enthusiasts. Meanwhile, both Shiba Inu, STA, and Dogecoin Do have experienced declines, unable to maintain their previous momentum. The drop in these established meme coins is partly attributed to investors flocking to newer, trendier options like Pepe Saves Pavel, which promise higher potential returns due to their speculative nature and smaller market capitalization. As SHIB and DOGE struggle to regain their footing, the market is witnessing a shift where investors are increasingly looking toward up-and-coming meme coins on networks like Solana for quicker gains. Pepe Saves Pavel is expected to capitalize on this trend, especially with its impending exchange listings, further fueling excitement and the likelihood of a massive surge.